The Saoirse Foundation was founded in March 2010. Initially, we focused on just batten disease and traded as B for battens. We provide respite, advocacy, training and practical supports for families affected by batten disease and now other rare and genetic disorders. We initially started as B for battens, which was only focused on batten disease, which is a very rare, ultra-rare condition of the brain, which is a fatal condition and it basically kills children. The impacts of this is that there's not a whole pile of knowledge or readily accessible information for parents and doctors alike. When we focus on batten disease, it's an ultra-rare condition, which means it affects less than 1 in 50,000 people. But when we talk about rare disease as a whole, it affects between 6 and 8% of the population. Now, to put that in terms, that's up to 360,000 people, individuals. So, and that's 200,000 of those would be children. But so, while in essence, rare disease, because there's 7,000 rare diseases, individually they're rare, but collectively it's quite common to have a rare disease. I think the biggest problem is not having access to credible, verified, safe areas for information, and that's one of the problems we face, especially when it's a condition which is lesser known like batten disease. When they go looking for information, credible, verified information, or they want to discuss something, they have to go to a search engine, and they're getting results which might not always be the most accurate. What we need to provide them is a function. If we could help them, direct them in the right direction and let them talk with peers and ensure that the information that they do find is accurate, then it may alleviate a lot of the anxiety and the tension of following a diagnosis.